a strike by sanitation workers has turned parts of the national capital into a garbage dump. Sanitation workers have been striking for 10 days now, and residents of North and East Delhi are being forced to live with mounds of garbage. Now, the MCD workers are protesting for a salary hike. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting with workers and MCD commissioners today at the Ramlila Maidan. Mounds of garbage in parts of Delhi as sanitation workers have been on strike for 10 days now. In fact, residents even allege that till now no attempts have been made to sort out this mess that has taken place, and they are being forced to live with garbage in corners of their roads. Finally, today, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting with workers and the MCD commissioners at the Ramlila Maidan. NDTV Sonal sent us this report.
The ongoing tussle between the BJP-led MCD and the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government is making the capital stink. And quite literally this time, visuals on your screen are of a dumpster where the garbage has come to a point that it's almost blocking the road. It's stinking heavily in this area, and people have to walk over, drive over all this garbage which is spilling onto the road. What's the issue? The Safai Karamcharis in the area claim they haven't received their salary for the past 2 months. The municipal corporation says they haven't been able to get any relief from the Delhi government, from the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government, because of the ongoing tussle. And they say because of this, the protest has taken a turn that Safai Karamcharis are actually bringing it right on the road, dumping it in this area, making their voice heard, in which many are saying is a major way of protesting. It comes at a point where Arvind Kejriwal today in the evening will be addressing Safai Karamcharis in Ramlila Maidan. It's supposed to be a mega rally. This issue will be one of the focus areas. But while we discuss this, interestingly, from the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's constituency in Patparganj, these visuals are telling, and people of Delhi are asking, will the governance now suffer between this ongoing tussle between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party? With camera person Gopal Singh in New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.
All right, so residents extremely troubled after mounds of garbage in their areas. The sanitation workers have been on strike for 10 days now, and the garbage is just piling up on Delhi streets, especially in the north and the west of Delhi. Residents claim that so far no attempts have been made to reach out to sanitation workers who are protesting after they hadn't received salaries for 2 months now. Finally, today the Delhi Chief Minister will be meeting MCD employees. Let's go across to Sonal now for more. Sonal, 10 days that sanitation workers have been striking and not working, and obviously a huge menace for residents.
The past 2 months is the second such protest that we've seen here in the East Municipal Corporation. And like we said, this tussle between the BJP-led MCD and the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government is leading to, is making the capital stink quite literally. It's difficult to stand here. But what's more, it's not just the, roads which have been blocked by garbage, but the Safai Karamcharis have now blocked the roads. What you see on your screens are rows of buses now standing as this road in Patparganj, which is the constituency of the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, has been blocked. It is office hours leading to huge inconvenience. But how are the Karamcharis justifying it? I want to go across straight to them. मुझे बताइए कितने महीनों की तनख्वाह नहीं मिली है?
हमारा ये तीसरा महीना लग गया है। इसकी तनख्वाह की भी बिल्कुल 8-9 दिन से हमारी स्ट्राइक चल रही है। केजरीवाल ने एक बार भी आगे हमारी सुध नहीं ली, ना बीजेपी वालों ने किसी ने सुध नहीं ले रहे, ना कुछ ले रहे। हमारे बच्चे इतने दुखी हो गए कि हमें दूसरों से मांग के खाना पड़ रहा है, 10-10% पे पैसा लाना पड़ रहा है अपने बच्चों के पेट भरने के लिए। अब हमें नहीं मिल रहा तो और भी हम पे ज्यादा प्रभाव पड़ रहा है।
आप कह रहे थे कि ये जो बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी का प्रॉब्लम है, उस चक्कर में आप लोगों की सैलरी रोकी जा रही है।
हाँ जी, हमारे को टाइम से कोई भी सैलरी तो सैलरी, कोई पैसा बनना होता हमारा वो नहीं टाइम से देते। देखो सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा गंदा काम करते हैं, फिर भी कोई सुविधा नहीं हमारे लिए।
आज शाम को जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, वो आप सब सफाई कर्मचारियों से मिलने वाले हैं। 5 बजे सबको रामलीला मैदान बुलाया गया है। आप लोग जाएंगे, क्या बात रखेंगे उनके सामने?
बिल्कुल जाएंगे, हम अपनी सारी परेशानी रखेंगे, सब कुछ बताएंगे केजरीवाल। अगर उन्होंने हमारे हक में फैसला लिए तो ये स्ट्राइक ऐसी रहेगी।
स्ट्राइक ऐसी कंटिन्यू रहने वाली है?
कंटिन्यू रहने वाली है अगर उन्होंने
जब तक पूरी सैलरी नहीं मिल जाती।
बिल्कुल सैलरी नहीं मिले हमारे लोगों के जब तक हमारे लोगों का सारा लाभांश नहीं दे देंगे और हमारा सब कुछ नहीं दे देंगे, हम ऐसी स्ट्राइक रखेंगे।
Well, you heard it straight there. Until all their issues are addressed and their salaries, all the due salary paid, the strike is going to continue. For now, it's left a bitter stink for everybody here. Like I said, difficult to even stand at this point, Gargi, but it's not just a stink. It's a traffic woes also that the protest has caused here. Again, what you see, the entire row of buses in the middle of office hours blocked as Safai Karamcharis here continue to protest, asking for their right, saying it's high time that they do all this dirty work, that their allowances should be paid as well. Back to you, Gargi.
All right, Sonal, thanks so much for joining us. With that, we'll continue to track that story as the Delhi Chief Minister will be meeting with MCD workers today.